Welcome students to the second session of English. In the first session, we have learned about the sentence, what is a sentence, and the types of sentences according to the function. In this session, we are going to learn about the types of sentences based on structure. The session also explains briefly about the independent and the dependent clauses. What is a sentence made of? It is made of clauses. It can be one clause, which may be independent clause, or one or more clause, which may be collection of independent and dependent clause. Clauses which convey complete meaning and stand alone are called main or independent clauses, whereas clauses which depend on independent clauses to make complete sense are called subordinate or dependent clauses. For example, I earn whatever I can. In this sentence, I earn, it makes complete sense by itself. That is why it is a main clause. Whatever I can is a dependent clause because it depends upon the independent clause I earn to make a complete sense. Based on structure, sentences can be divided into three types: simple sentences, compound sentences, and complex sentences. First is simple sentence. Simple sentence consists of only one independent clause containing a subject and a verb, and it shows complete meaning. For example, I like coffee. In this sentence, I is the subject and like is the verb, and this sentence makes a complete sense. That is, it is a simple sentence. Similarly, Mary did not go to the party. Mary is a subject and did not go to the party. In this part of the sentence, go to is a verb. Therefore, this is also a simple sentence. Second type of sentence is a compound sentence. A compound sentence has two independent clauses. The independent clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions such as for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so on. For example, I like coffee and Sita likes tea. In this sentence, we have two independent clauses, I like coffee and Sita likes tea, which is joined by coordinating conjunction and. Now look at second sentence. Mary went to work but John went to the party. In this sentence also, we have two independent clauses, Mary went to work and John went to the party, joined by but. The third type of sentence according to structure is complex sentences. A complex sentence has an independent clause and a dependent clause. The two clauses are joined by a subordinating conjunction such as because, that, when, until, although, or while, etc. For example, we missed our plane because we were late. In this sentence, we missed our plane is a independent clause. We were late is a dependent clause joined by a subordinating conjunction because. Now look at the second sentence. Our dog barks when it hears a noise. In this sentence also, our dog barks is an independent clause. It hears a noise is a dependent clause which is joined by a subordinating conjunction when. Now let's recapitulate the session. In this session, we have learnt about two types of clauses, that is independent clause or main clause, or dependent clause or subordinating clauses. We have also learnt about the kind of sentences according to structure, which are simple sentences, compound sentences, and complex sentences. In order to evaluate the session, I am attaching an exercise. You can do this exercise in paper or any old notebook. Thank you.